what do we bring to the table? My darling, I'm bringing my life and another life to that table. I'm telling you. Like, it's so disrespectful for any man to ask a woman that, what do you bring to the table? Like, are you okay? Like, am I the reason why you are struggling? Why are you asking me? But, like, I don't understand.
Okay.
Like, I don't know. Like, I want to understand. Like, why would a man ask a woman, what are you bringing to the table? Like, put things together. Even God himself, before he created a woman, he put things together before creating a woman. So who are you? That you don't want to put everything together? You are coming to ask that what somebody brings to the table. Like, are you really serious? You that you were created, it's not that you are the creator. You were equally created. All you have to do is that you have to go by the rules and regulations by whoever created us, what the person has said. He said that you, the man, you have to struggle and be the provider. Please, you understand? And the woman being your support system has nothing to do with 50-50 or she paying bills and everything. It has nothing. It's beyond that. Please, do you get what I mean?
I get what you mean.
Times are hard. It's great to meet, women like some of us that, yes, I'm working.
Yeah.
I have, a couple of companies that I'm handling. But I wouldn't want anybody to attach my value to that. I know times are hard.
But is it okay to now
and
attach
we are all
man's
doing
value
something.
to what
do you
he
say?
earns? It's okay to
No,
attach
for
man's value
biologically, that is part of him. Like, yes, a woman can just exist and will have a value. But you as a man, you need to earn that value. I'm not the one to change it, and our sentiments will not change that. It's a fact.
Is this based on just relationship aspects, or like as a woman, shouldn't you have some sort of value to
That's
yourself?
what I'm trying to tell you that. No, you existing alone as a woman is your value.
Okay.
Yes.
But then based on a relationship, what do women bring to the
forget
table?
about relationship. Based on the economy, the system, how the world is going. That is why now we all need to be doing something to get things going. So if fortunately for you, the man, you meet a hardworking woman, that's a plus for you.
But I don't think as a man I would want to be with a woman that is not hardworking.
You'll be so much concerned about that when maybe things are not going well for you. But if you have a lot of things figured out, if you meet a woman and she's not hardworking, like she doesn't have a job or something, then try and get her a job. And if you think that she's not even that productive enough, then why are you going on that route with her? So look at yourself. Whoever, aligns with your purpose, then you move with that person, but don't come and force anything on anybody. Every woman cannot be like me and you.
I feel like I support the gist that a woman has to bring something to the table besides being, of course I'm a woman. I know that I've been in the hospital with a friend of mine that gave birth, and I tell you it was crazy.
Do you know people see my darling,
is crazy.
we can't just throw it away that just like that. The people are losing their lives,
Definitely.
their mind,
Yes.
like everything, their legs, because of childbirth. All that the man did, you left your seed and you left.
But
right now,
some men actually, the woman is one carrying the baby. I know, but some men go through a lot.
See,
being a support system.
Right now, whatever the men are going through, we are also going through it because we are all working.
No, I'm talking about childbirth now.
Yeah.
The process of pregnancy.
What does the man go through? The man also feels something.
As a support system.
My darling, are you really serious?
Some men actually go through a
some women
system.
as I'm talking to you right now, some women are pregnant and their husbands are in other countries.
Yes, sometimes. Yeah, I get that.
Most of the times.
You could be in another state or
so
another
many women
country.
do it alone. They do it alone,
Sometimes,
and the men are somewhere. They don't feel anything.
But you know that sometimes, yes, most of these men are somewhere because of this. A man has to be a man, has to make money. They might be somewhere working to send the money.
I'm talking
home.
about functional homes. But if in a case that, let's say, two adults meet and they have something to do and pregnancy comes and whatever, that man decide not to work, or that whatever is going on in that woman's life, the man choose to be part of it, and it will not affect the pain the woman is going through.
Yes.
What I'm trying to tell you, my sister, is as women as we are, I'm saying that we bring life and a life to the table. We bring our own life and another life to the table, and that is enough.
But how
if you don't understand, go and create your own
the
life.
husband also brings his life to the table.
Which life?
Marriage is between two people. You leave your family, the man
Are we
also
talking
leaves his
about
family
marriage, or we are talking about our love lives in general?
Okay, for example, let's move on to marriage.
Okay.
In a traditional sense, kids are supposed to come marriage.
Yeah.
In traditional sense. So a man leaves his family, a woman also leaves her family. They become one.
Yeah.
They're coming together.
Mm-hmm.
So why does it have to always be that why does it have to seem like the man isn't doing anything when it comes to childbirth and the process
I'm
of
not saying
pregnancy
the man
altogether?
is not doing anything. What I'm trying to say is that I don't like that kind of question or that kind of thing that people are trying to change whatever God has programmed about women should bring something to the table. Not every woman can be hardworking. Like you can't see, you can't. There are things that you can't force it. See, we have some men there. They don't even want their women to work or do anything.
Actually, yes, definitely.
And that is why we have women that biologically they don't want to do anything.